Alright, mi gente, today we're going to talk about how to clean a magnetic cleaner, especially made from Navien. This is a Naviclean Magnetic filter. It's from Navien, you guys can see right here. So we're going to clean it today. So pretty straightforward. There's two valves here, one on the top, one on the bottom right there. So you want to close this one here, just like that. That's one. Alright, and we have another one that we're going to close, which is right here on the bottom. So there we go, closer. All right, now that we have it closed, now we're ready to open. Just be careful, it might be a little hard to open up, but you want to open this up just like this. And I would always recommend putting a bucket. I just loosened it up for my helper, but just for video purposes, I want to show you guys something that it looks like. As you can see. All right, it's not as bad as I thought it was going to be. But we definitely want to take her out, want to clean her up, and get her ready for winter. All right, guys, it's pretty straightforward. This is how you clean a Naviclean magnetic filter. Now I'm going to take this filter, put it in the sink, and wash her out. I mean, it's not bad as I thought, like I said. I mean, it's dirty, but it's not bad. Stay tuned, guys. But if you always have any questions, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit us up, DM us, hit the bell button for any notifications coming in the near future. Call Louis the Boiler Man 516-377-5200. Wepa.